Oh, there it goes. The timer's now going. All right,
there
you go.
Snickers! Come here, buddy. Come here. Throw him short snowball, so she can see him running towards it. Come here. Come here, big dog.
Snickers, Snickers, ready? Where'd he go?
Throw one like right here. Look at Patton. I can't stand it. I got to be a part of this.
Both looking for it.
Oh yeah, throw one short.
Snickers.
Hey.
Ready?
Look at his face. Hello. Look at him. I know it. It's right here. I know it is.
Oh, my hands are cold.
Yeah. Here, how do I stop this?
I just hit the button again.
Hit the button? Okay.